This building kit is hours of fun. As a school-based OT and a mom, I am always looking for activities that get my students' hands, fingers, and imaginations working together. And these are great for that. It comes with 600 of these small building tiles that click together like this. 100 of the tiles are these cool neon colors. The rest of them are just regular colors. Comes with 2 plates to build on and a really great instruction book with all visual instructions. So I followed these visual instructions to make this super cool airplane. And they match. The interlocking pieces fit easily together, but you really have to use those fingers to get a good hold on them, which makes it a great fine motor activity. I think that it's nice to have a STEM building activity that works for both older and younger kids, and even as an adult, I think these are super fun to play with. I think this is a great toy, lots of different things you can do with it. This is something that I would definitely recommend and that I would buy again.